What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to let you know that I have been losing weight. And since my last video, I definitely have been dropping weight like crazy, and I'm so excited. I do want to come on and share all the details with you, okay? So this video is going to be about the 5 things that have helped me to actually lose weight since you saw me last in my last video, my last weight loss video, which was about a week ago. Okay, so today is November the 17th. It's a Tuesday. And like I said before, my last weight loss video that I did was about a week ago. I did a 5-day strict keto diet during that 5-day period, and it kind of kicked everything off for me. So I have pretty much been there with this, and I've been dropping weight like crazy. And I'm going to share that with you in just a moment. But for those of you who are new to my channel, I am Simply Carrie, and I am trying to lose weight, okay? So my goal right now is to get down to 145 pounds. And I am slowly but surely getting there, and I'm excited about it. So I will be doing videos every week to update you guys, let you know what I'm doing, what I'm using, and what's working, what's not working. So if you're really interested in knowing more about my journey and what I'm doing and how I'm dropping weight, definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content, okay? I definitely will be I want to do my uploads on Mondays, but I may have to move those back to Saturdays. I'll see. I'm going to see how things go with Mondays, but it will be pretty much once a week that I will come on and talk to you about my weight loss journey and everything that I'm using to help me to drop the weight. So let's get into this. Okay, so the first thing that has really been helping me to lose weight, okay, is this awesome program, this awesome app actually that I've been using. I have talked about it in several of the videos before, but I've kind of mentioned it in passing. But I had this app on my phone for quite some time, and I would just not use it. I know how great it is. I would use it here and there, but I never really got into using it. But just recently, because I was on the keto diet and I really kind of needed to know, what I'm eating, I really did start to use it, and it is phenomenal. Okay, so I do want to show you a couple of things real fast. Now, excuse my phone. My son dropped my phone, and my phone is cracked. Where did this go? Okay, so like I said before, this app is called My Plate, and it's downloaded on my phone. And I'm just going to share a couple of things that's really great about it. First off, it tracks your calories. So all you have to do, and this is the thing that really got me the most, okay, is that if I want to track something, what is going on here? Okay, I'm just going to turn that off. Okay, stop beeping. All right, if I want to track my calories, it's as simple as me pushing a button and it scans my food for me, okay? There's a barcode on the back of all sorts of foods. All I have to do is just scan the food, and it brings up all the nutritional information for me. All I have to do is say I ate that, and it puts it in, okay? So I track myself for breakfast, lunch, dinner, any snacks that I have, and it puts my macros in, it puts in my protein, my carbs, and it also tracks my fat, okay? So this has just been awesome. I'm able to see how much I'm eating in a day, okay? And I'm also able to see those macros as well. That's very important because I'm trying to stay at least 1,200 calories or less, okay? 1,200 is my max, is where I'm going with this, okay? So I've pretty much been doing very good on just about everything, okay? So I'm really excited about that, and I'll just kind of try to show that to you. Like I said before, my phone, the screen is cracked because my son dropped it, but I do want to show this to you how awesome this is. I don't know. Oh, don't tell me it's going to be too bright. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. It tells you the number of calories you have left. Okay, that's not that clear. Okay, but here we have the protein, the fat, the carbs. Okay, so tells me all of that stuff. It gives me all the nutritional value of the food. Okay, so that's the first thing that's been helping. Now, another thing about this app that's really awesome, in my opinion, is when I get ready to go work out, which I'm going to be working out in just a little bit, is I can hold this in my hand and it's going to track my calories. If I have it with me throughout the day, it's tracking all my steps, and then it lets me know how many calories I've burned. So this is really awesome when you're trying to track, you know, how much you're burning as well. So how much you're consuming and how much you're burning. This is awesome, the My Plate. Also, what's another thing about it that I found that was really good? Okay, and then you can also track your weight in this as well. Okay, so every time, you know, you put your goal weight in, and each week when you weigh yourself, you can put, you know, how much you weigh, and you can keep track of your weight. So there are other wonderful options. I did not pay this. This app is free, but you can pay for an upgraded service. I just didn't pay for the upgraded service. I was fine with the basic free service, and it's been doing wonders for me. So I've been staying under that 1200 or 1200 cap. Okay, is basically what I've been doing. Now, the next thing that's been really helping me to lose weight, and I'll talk about my weight in just a little bit. I'll tell you, you know, how I've been dropping weight. The second thing that's been helping me to lose weight is the keto diet. Okay. Like I said before, and you can go check it out, I did 5 videos straight on what I was doing with my keto diet, and it's awesome because I started dropping the weight each time. Now, at the time, like day 2, 3, 4, 4 I think I was into ketosis, but 2 and 3 I wasn't into ketosis. I did get my keto strips. Keto strips are really important because you want to see whether you're in ketosis. And the strange thing about it is I'm doing more so low carb, if I can help it, than strict keto. So I kind of bounce in between the two. I'll go strict keto sometimes, and then I will do low carb other times. It all depends on if I decide, you know, because this is a long haul. I want to be 145 pounds, okay? And right now I'm in the 200s. I'll tell you what my weight is in just a little bit, but it's going to take me some time to get there. So, you know, there are going to be those moments where I might want something like a peanut butter and jelly. I might want something, you know, I may see some cookies. Somebody tempted me and I may have 1 or 2 or something like that. So I do slip off, but I'm not going crazy with it. I'm not going to be able to just not touch anything for the amount of time that I have to be on a diet to lose the weight. So what I have noticed is that I do go in and out of ketosis. Depends on the time of day and what I've eaten. And even if I slip up and I eat something with carbs in it, what's really shocking is I still go back into ketosis. And I stay within, and I hope I can, the reflection may, I don't know, the lighting in here is pretty bad. But anyhow, so long as I stay in, let me see, I'm trying to see if I can put my finger here, between these two right here. Okay, it's this one is trace and this one is small amounts of ketosis. Okay, so you dip the stick in a little urine and it changes colors if you're in ketosis. And for the most part, I've noticed that I've had traces of it or I've had small amounts of it. And, you know, my body has just been in ketosis. So the keto diet has been working marvelously for me. So that's the second thing that's been helping me to lose weight. The third thing that's been helping me to lose weight is the 5-HTP. Now, I have seen people ask, well, where can I get this from? You can get it from Amazon. I got my 5-HTP from the vitamin store. If you notice here, I think it says vitamin store over here on the side. And it's a 50 milligram bottle. I don't know if you could see. It's somewhere around here. It says 50 milligrams. I don't know if you can see it there. There we go. And it has B6 in it. Okay, this has been really helpful for me to cut back on any kind of cravings. But for the most part, so long as I'm on keto, I haven't really had any cravings, but I still do take it, especially when it's close to time for my cycle. I find that it helps with serotonin. It helps with, you know, that whole depression thing. It helps with the cravings, as I said before. It's really been great, and I do take it. I take it 3 times a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner time. Is pretty much when I take it. It doesn't affect my sleep. I can take it pretty late. I've taken it at 8 o'clock just to try to keep me out of the kitchen. I try not to eat past 8 o'clock. Okay, so this has been helping me to cut those cravings out and, you know, pretty much stick to not doing any late night eating and stuff like that. So I really haven't had any cravings with the keto and with the 5-HTP. It's been working miracles for me. Okay, the fourth thing is because I now have a little bit more energy, I'm able to work out more. I have a log that I keep in which I write down all of my workouts. So I've noticed that I've been working out either 3 to 4 times a week. Without the log, I would not have even known. I wouldn't have known how much I work out. So it kind of keeps me accountable and keeps me, you know, if I notice, okay, well, I didn't work out those 2 days and I really got to get something in there for the week, then it keeps me motivated to work out. So this log has been awesome for me. And it's been helping me to actually go out and stay motivated and do my workouts. So, and I haven't been working out really hard. I've been walking. So long as I'm active for about 30 minutes to 60 minutes, I'm good. I mean, there are moments where sometimes I just don't want to go out. I might do burpees. I'll do maybe 10 burpees, you know, a set of 10 burpees, or sometimes if I really have energy, maybe 20 burpees. Burpees are difficult, okay? So that's high intensity. And that's really been working out for me. So if you can't even get out, just do burpees, okay? So that's the fourth thing. And the last thing, okay, and I don't know how much has really contributed to my weight, but I do feel that it has. When I got to my 5th day of strict keto, and you can go back and take a look at the video that I did, the videos, I was losing weight nicely, okay? In fact, let me just tell you, I started out at about 216.4. Then the next day I was 215.2. The next day 214.8. Then 213.8. So everything was going wonderfully. Okay, then all of a sudden, boom, I was at 215.2. It's like I picked up 2 extra pounds. So I was really upset about that, and I figured, okay, I don't know how long I'm going to stay on keto. I'm probably going to have to go to something else. And I was eyeing a few like weight loss programs, online programs. Noom was one of them, but I decided to go with the Mayo Clinic diet. So I did pay for the Mayo Clinic diet. I believe I spent about $54. I'm going to be on that for about 13 weeks. And it opens up their whole database, and it's got so much in there. I think it's been more of a motivator than anything. I'm in the lose it stage. There are 2 stages. There's lose it, and then there's I believe it's called live it. Don't hold me to that, but I think it's called live it. So in the lose it stage, which is where I am right now, that's the beginning stage, they promise that you can lose about a good, did they say 6 pounds in 2 weeks? I could swear they said 6 pounds in 2 weeks. But anyhow, one of the things is don't eat sugar. And the fact that I'm on a keto diet, I'm not really touching sugar. Every once in a while, there may be some type of food that might have some hidden sugar in it. But for the most part, I've been staying clear of sugar, and it has been working. I do like the program. I like the fact that I can track my things, but I've been doing more of my tracking through my plate anyway. Okay, I do like the recipes that they offer. I do like the the motivation and the information that they give about nutrition is almost is the closest thing to having a nutritionist for you. Okay, so that's another reason why I like the program. So I've been on the program for about a week now, and I do like it. I will come on and I will talk more about the Mayo Clinic diet and give you a little bit more information about that. But right now in this video, I just wanted to share those 5 things that have been helping me to lose weight. So now on to what my weight is. Okay, so right now I'm at 210.6 pounds. Okay, so since my last video where I told you I was at 215, okay, the following day I went down to 214. Then the day after that, 213. The next day, 212. I stayed at 212 about 3 days. Then I went down to 211. Okay, yesterday, and then yesterday and today I was at 210.6. So it's just been nothing but steadily going down. And if anything, I kind of stay the same for a while, and then I'll drop some more. So I can't tell you how happy I am. I can't tell you how excited I am that I'm finally seeing weight loss, and it's motivating me to run outside and work out. I'm just excited. So I took a picture, and you'll see it on my thumbnail, of me in my outfit. I'm not really gonna stand up right now because I don't have a lot of room here, but I remember when I bought this, this is my, I don't know if you can see it really good, okay, but when I initially bought this workout outfit, I was like, why are people selling, you know, I'm not going to wear something like this because it has that midriff showing and my stomach is big. I don't want to show all that. So I was going to put a shirt on over it, which I did. I put a shirt on over it. But now I'm feeling a little bit more confident and comfortable in it. And I'm really excited. So I did take a picture in it so that you can see. But I am still, I'm still in the 200s. But I'm dropping. Okay. So, anyhow, I'm going to close this video out, and I hope you enjoyed what you saw. As I said before, I will be uploading videos every week, letting you know what I'm doing, what my weight is like, and just giving you those updates on what's going on. Okay, and I'll talk more about the Mayo Clinic diet as well in upcoming videos. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and definitely give me a thumbs up and leave any comments that you have. I will answer your questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.